Hello viewers, let's discuss some very important commands or features of MS PowerPoint. These can enhance your speed with great ease, like SmartArt or hierarchy chart, resizing picture at once, tell me what to do, equal distance lines, switching different windows without the use of mouse. So let's watch it on the screen. The first one is SmartArt. It's the conventional way we go to file menu and then we take an option and drag. It's time consuming and hard. So let's delete it and just go again. Open shape and right click on, let's suppose I right click on elbow shape, log drawing mode. And now you see that the cursor sign has been changed. Now each and every time I draw a line, I don't need to go up to the file menu or options or shapes. I'll continuously drag lines to connect my diagram and I will have saved time with great ease. And it's done. So let's see and open it. It's beautiful and easy. The next method of the same SmartArt or hierarchy chart in one go, write down the entire hierarchy of your organization and simply we will right click and convert the same instantly into a SmartArt or hierarchy chart. It's done. Selected data, right click, convert to SmartArt, more SmartArt graphics, hierarchy, and choose any model you like. Click on OK. It's done. See a full image view. Now we can change the font or color of background, whatever you like. Just select the boxes and change the color or drag down and select anything at once. The change would be taken place. Most of the time we bring or use pictures and we do like this, and in this type of dragging a side also uncovered. So the next time what we do, we drag one side and drag second side, and this is time consuming. So let's leave it. Click on the picture, click the small arrow below the crop and aspect ratio. In my case I keep 16:9. You may take your own in according to your slide. Now the picture is cropped. Drag it from corner to corner and it's done. It's the most easy way, but a more easy way. These are different pictures from different size. Select all pictures, go to format under picture tools. Click the small arrow near the size. Click on it. Uncheck relative to original picture size, lock aspect ratio. These are off. And now I am giving it any size, so all picture would be of the equal size. So it's done. Let me make smaller this slide. All pictures are equal, so simply cut, paste, and you don't need to drag and drop every time with every picture. Now a very good option of tell me what to do, but let me share you first. Most of the time when we need data from outside, we go to Google or browser and copy data and then we paste. So leave this method. I am going to share you a more convenient method. Tell me what to do. Click inside and type your topic, Smart Lookup, and the data will appear inside the presentation. Now simply copy and paste any type of topic you wish to know. Now let me share you a more beneficial use of tell me what to do. Click inside the tell me what to do and type pictures, enter it or smart lookup, and you will shortly see that the picture folders appear. Or let me write find and replace. The command appear. Anything you need to know, just type it and don't go from menu to menu, just click and you will find it. Sometimes we need to create lines and then we go shape and we do like this. Then we go again to shape and draw another line. The enter distance and size vary from line to line, so that looks odd. Delete it. Draw line, Ctrl D and align it. Ctrl D and equal distance with same size will appear. You can see it, it's perfectly aligned. Let me make another line, a vertical line to make it a net-like structure. Ctrl D and align the first line and then keep on pressing Ctrl D and it's done. Equal line, equal size. Most of the time different windows are open in front of us and we go and click one by one. So let's leave this. Alt and Tab. Now we are on MS Word, Alt and Tab, we reach to Excel without the help of a mouse, and again we are on Notepad. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.